Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We're on issue 24. In issue 24 we get some more parts. We get some parts for our wrist area, and we're going to be attaching our wrist to our forearm today. Let's move the parts out of the way, have a look inside the magazine. As you can see, these are the parts here. Make sure you have got them. We do get two different types of screws. We get KB 2x6mm screws. We get a PB 2x6mm screws. They are both the same. The only difference is one's got a countersunk head on it, the other one hasn't. This is the area we're going to be working on. Assembly pages, Sci-Fi Cinema Legends, and our real world science, and also what is coming up in the next issue. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of the packaging. We've got this piece here, which is nice and metal. We're not going to be using this today, so we need to put that to the side. This is going to be attaching to this piece at some point. Your location pin, your screw holes, that's going to be going on there like that at some point, probably in the next issue. So we'll just put that to the side and we'll look at that probably next week. First off, we're going to need these two bits here. All the other pieces of plastic, we're going to be cutting these off the sprues. So what we want us to do is bring back in our hand, because we're going to be needing that in a moment. So we're going to get these, we're going to put them together, and we're going to be securing them with one of these screws, the ones with the round heads. So let's do that now. Get this one done. So in goes your screw. Screw it up nice and tight. You don't want to over tighten it, but nice and tight. It's not so it doesn't come undone. There we go. We've got that one done. Now we're going to be bringing in our hand, and we're going to be attaching this to the hand. And this one wants to be secured with the one that's got the countersink in it. So this is going to be going into this here. So let's try and locate that in. Actually, I'm going to load my screw up first, so it's nice and ready, because I ain't got free hands. Yeah, we got that in. Just like that. Hold it tight if you can between your fingers. Push it in. Load your screw up and start screwing. There we are. That's that one on. Not going anywhere, neither of them three. Right, so what we got next? Next we're going to be bringing in our forearm. So let's move everything else to the side now. We're going to bring in our forearm. I'm going to be attaching this to that. Hold on, I'm just missing a piston. I just spotted that. I'll just grab it now. Back in. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is got to push this on. Obviously, start with the big one. Give it a good push and a wiggle and a turn until it's located in there. There we go. Now we're going to be doing the same with these ones. 1, 2, 3. And that's that on there. That ain't going anywhere. And that's it. Nice, turny, very close. Right, now we're going to need some glue. So let's get some glue ready, because we're going to be attaching these onto here. So we'll get some glue. We'll cut these off the sprue and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got these cut off the sprues. Let's just get our glue ready. Stick a little bit in here. There we go. You're going to want something to apply it with, like a cocktail stick or something. So I've got a cocktail stick, we're going to use that. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to thread these springs. It's going to be quite fiddly. I have got some tweezers here, so let's use them. So get these springs and thread them through the holes. So you want the fourth one, the outer one to the outer one, and I'm going to try not to cross these over. There we go. We got that one in. Yep. And we've got 2 left. So we'll stick that in. And last one. this one doesn't want to go in. There we go. So that's them all in, all slotted through the holes. Make sure you try not to cross them over, and you don't put them over the top of these. You want to go around the back. Okay, so I want to move these fingers out of the way. And what we're going to be doing is it asks us to put a little dollop of glue on this bit of the pin. So we're going to do that now. I only want a little bit. I'm not going to put loads on, because I'm going to put some on after as well. And what it wants us to do is it wants us to grab the spring, push it down the spring, which is not easy. There we are. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to get a little bit of glue, putting it in there, and we're going to be sticking that. There we go. So now we can stick that in there. Just like that. So that's the first one in. Now the second one, let's do this one. I'm going to actually apply the glue after, because it might be easier, because the glue started to take straight away. So let's push this up all the way. There we are. Put a little bit of dollop of glue on there, and a dollop of glue in here. And now let's stick this one in place, just like that. Move on to the next one. This one is the third one. Yeah. Let's put a little dollop of glue on that. And in here as well. Stick that one in. There we are. Now the last one. And this one's going to be a little bit more difficult, maybe not. I thought it might be a bit more difficult because it was underneath the thumb. But oh, nice. This one is a bit looser, so I'm going to put a bit more glue on this one. Just like that. And in the hole as well. Just like that. And last but not least, let's plop this in without sticking it to my fingers. Just like that. And there you go. That's what we should be left with. Very nice. Yeah, so that's that bit done. And that is the hand now attached to the forearm. And it looks very nice. Just move these screws and that out of the way, and I'll show you what we've got for the arm so far. So obviously we've got this piece, and this piece is going to attach onto the bottom here, just like that. This one's going to go into there, so I think we're going to have to undo this piece at some point. This piece is going to be locked onto there, just like that. So yeah, and that'll be the arm complete. So next we're starting on the shoulder joint up here, so we might need some pieces that we had last time, like these pieces. These will go together somehow, not sure how yet, but they will go together. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Join me next time when we've got issue 25 of Build the Terminator, which should be out next Wednesday. Build the DeLorean issue 16 will be out on Monday. So join me then. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.